This baked fish recipe is simple, perfect, and very easy to prepare. I started the seasoning by putting a grated onion in this container. I also added 4 cloves of crushed garlic, a grated tomato, a teaspoon of lemon pepper, a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a drizzle of olive oil, and I'll also squeeze in half a lemon. After squeezing very well, I'll mix and reserve our seasoning. In the bottom of a baking dish, I put a sliced red onion and some olive oil. And I've also added olive oil. Now I'm going to place our fish here on top of the onions and season it with the seasoning we've made. First I made cuts like this, and now we're going to add our seasoning here to the fish. And we're going to stir like this, spreading it over here until it's covered with the seasoning. And we'll season the other side too. I put the seasoning on the inside of the fish as well. Then I added pieces of onion and tomato to make our fish tastier on the inside. Then I put cherry tomatoes on the outside. And also pre-cooked potatoes. And look how wonderful our fish turned out. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and bake it for an hour at 200 degrees. At 200 degrees. And look how it turned out, people, how delicious this fish is, as well as being very tasty, of course. Just make it at home because there will be no leftovers. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.